Hey travelers, today I'm going to take you on a tour of a junior suite ocean view room at the 𝖩𝗎 Paradise Island. So let's check it out. So open up the closet, just reverse this back. So we've got quite a few hangers here, quite spacious. On the other side we've got actually more hangers and safe, as well as an iron. Bathroom is private. Got a dual vanity and some toiletries, so conditioner and moisturizing lotion, as well as a kit of some sort. Soap, the soap's always really good here. And then they've updated the showers. So since the hurricane, when they did the renovations, they've updated everything, so it's quite a nice shower. They do have a combo of the shampoo body wash, so ladies, you might want to bring your own shampoo, but otherwise not too bad. Nice big full-length mirror here, and of course it's a complimentary liquor bar, as well as lots of water, coffee station. And of course, the mini bar is going to get restocked daily. So we've got Coke products, as well as a selection of 𝖬lic. So a pretty good area for storing your stuff, as well as some side tables. We've got, oh, nice, USB port here, as well as a reading light. And you've got your air conditioning there. No ceiling fan, but I just don't mind that at all. Flat screen TV and lots of storage again for all your stuff. Nice seating area. And on this side, okay, so this side's got the plug-in, so you can keep your phone charged. There you go. If you want to see what's on the room service menu, click on that. And then this is the view. So this is a very, very basic room, and that's a not too shabby view, I will say so. Let's see if I can figure out how to open the door. There we go. Okay. So there you go. So this is going to be sunset view over in this direction. So it's very warm, but it's going to be a lovely view. And you can see all the cruise ship people hanging out on the beach. And that beautiful blue water. Turn around once more. Come back in. And there you go. That's the reverse view. So I hope you enjoyed that tour of the Junior Suite Ocean View room. And if you enjoyed this video, please do check out these others. They're a playlist of all the videos that I have here of the 𝖩𝗎 Paradise Island Resort. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.